So ito ngayon ang update natin. Update na ngayon guys sa Avia mo. Sa Avia mo muna tayo mag-update guys. Ganda na naman. So dito pala guys yung Starbucks. Lumatsa Tokyo. At Abinsons. Meron ditong Lawson. Pico Girl. Bench. Ito yung restrooms. At dito yung True Value. But first coffee. Marks and Spencer. Excuse me. Top 10-10. McDonald's Fries and Sunday. Uncle John's. Live ko kaya Apple ko. Okay guys. Yun yung lahat muna. Ito yung cinema guys. Tom's World. Toy Village. Chaggy. Angko. Chowking. Southstar Drug. Close pa yan. Meat Department Store. Best on Demand. National Bookstore Express. Buy to pair it at Japan Home Center. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye!